Yo, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. We are in downtown Las Vegas. Vespa Gaming again, as you can see. Mimit natin ang mga boys and girls. Meron tayong bisita, Vespa ride sa strip downtown and maybe sa Las Vegas sign. So samahan nyo kami tonight. Vespa Gaming tayo again with the gang. Alright, so nandito na tayo sa heart ng downtown Las Vegas. Ito yung pinaka Fremont Street. Ang dami tumatawid. I'm sure na banggit ko na rin yan before. Ilang beses ko na rin nasabi sa inyo. Oh, wala masyadong tao. Yup. This is downtown. Sa Container Park daw magmi-meet. Dito na yan eh. I think dito na yan. Hola, kamote.
Shorts game.
Yeah, any way to say it. I'm glad you're out.
Oh yeah, it's starting
Because
to cool off,
it's
bro.
not 100 degrees
Yeah,
anymore.
I can't handle that shit.
Congratulations.
Yeah. I jumped it, right?
Uh-huh.
But as soon as I
What's
turned
up, Drifter?
the
Kamusta, bossing?
Maganda kami.
Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Oo, sobra.
Okay, good. Hola?
Hindi mo na naman
Madam?
invite si ate.
Uy, in-invite ko si Josh ah.
Natamad daw
Ay, si
siya.
Eileen, asawa niya.
Oo, na-meet ko na siya. Nakay ko na nga siya kanina eh. Buti pa nga siya, sumasakay sa akin eh.
Si ate hindi pa?
Ha? Hindi, wala. Ayaw nila sumakay sa akin. Wala.
So
And then-
if you wanna go Fremont, we go straight left Casino Center, no? Right?
Para mapakita mo sa kanila yung sa harap ng plaza. Casino Center, para maidaan mo sila doon. I'm ready when you guys are, but
Bro,
let me vape first.
Sport bike gaming.
Alright, suiting up. Ito ang grupo ngayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bikes. 4 na Vespa 300, isang Scrambler at isang Brutale MV Agusta. Newly purchased bike ni Joe. Look at this thing. Wow. Super. This is a hyper naked. How many horsepower is this? 208. 208. Wow. Horse purse.
Grouping initiated. Grouping succeeded.
Hindi siya nagpindot.
Hola, kababayan.
Busy si ate.
Naikot mo yung camera.
Hindi, kakauwi lang kasing work nun eh. Pagod.
Oo.
Okay ka naman eh. Okay naman. Button. Alright.
I need to see you guys on the vlog. Yeah, look at them Brutale, bro.
Shit. Para dito kanan. Oh, dude, there's a gate now.
Oh shit, that's
Yeah.
new.
Wow, there's a gate.
Wow.
I
That's
guess
good.
too many people got hit by cars.
Yeah. I wonder how
Shut
long
it
is this
down.
gonna... Yeah, I did.
Edith?
Sarado yung gate, Brad.
Baba ako, lap. Minute.
Huh?
Sarado talaga siya.
Yeah.
Okay, baba ako.
So I think that show is like what, 15 minutes maybe? 10 minutes.
Lakaran nga natin doon.
Welcome to the Fremont show. tapos nag-game na eh.
Yari ako nun.
Nagpunta mo?
There's too big. There's too big. On the right, there's no too big. Yeah. It's okay, Joe's bike's dirty anyways.
Yeah.
Ay, yung mga wedding chapel, oh. Pwede pa kasal dyan. Gusto nyo pakasal sa Amerika? Testing, testing, oh. Testing. Drive-thru, drive-thru. Kay Elvis.
Drive-thru. Sakto yan. Naka 20 years na kami magkasama.
Wow!
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary.
Sorry na pa-flex ang konti.
Nice. It's a good flex.
Maraming salamat, nagsalita na rin siya. Naninibago na siya.
Parang, baka nagkasakit siya eh, ng berry slide.
Pasanda mo?
Oo. Bermuda grass shows.
Welcome to that way. Alright. He made it.
Finally.
Finally.
That's it.
Yotri.
Ayun na.
Ang init.
Suit up!
Good. Really good. Kaway. Eh. Aray ko. Clear. Malayo to pupuntahan natin. Matagal ba yung gear off sa biyahe? Nasabi niya ko may mga upuan doon.
Ay, Diyos.
Kung may sandala dyan, di ka kukurtain yan. Let's go! So, apat na lang kami. Nauna na si Joe tsaka si Kuya Jody. Nag-freeway kasi sila pa uwi eh. Kami, side street pa rin kami.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Bumaklap sa kalong!
Bye-bye! Alright guys, maraming salamat. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.